I will make this very rich in vitamin C and antioxidant smoothie. I have some mango chunks, frozen mango chunks, some frozen spinach, half of really ripe banana just to give it a little creaminess and sweetness. I have celery, ginger, and Fuji apple. Some lemon juice with some orange juice. So Fuji apple is the most nutritious apple. I peel my apples because I don't like the skin. The skin, they always put some kind of wax on the skin just to preserve the apples for longer, and I don't like that. That's why I peel my apples all the time.
Ginger, banana, and then the lemon juice, just to pack it with a little extra vitamin C. And I will put some organic orange juice that's not from concentrate.
I'm just making breakfast, putting a little bit of pesto and tomatoes. It smells so good. And do you know about tomatoes that they're probably the only vegetable that more you cook them, more healthy properties they have. So just like mine cooked well because they release that nice tomato smell and I love it. And I'm just adding 2 eggs and mixing it. I like my breakfast. I love eggs for breakfast and I like to experiment and kind of like make different things since I get bored with the same breakfast over and over again. So that's I'm making this nacho bowl salad that's very delicious, satisfying and filling. Starting off with making the guacamole. Some onion. And it's the first time that I'm adding garlic to my guacamole, but I saw that and I'm just gonna try it. Like I make my guacamole different every time. I like to put like kind of like pico de gallo in my guacamole, but this time it's like a little bit different. Here is some black beans that I will put some chili powder, some salt, and black pepper, and maybe a little bit more cumin, and I will just mix it and set it on the side. I will just cut some lettuce.
I'm using romaine lettuce.
Then I will be cutting some cucumbers. Some tomatoes. I wanna chop my tomatoes smaller pieces. Bell pepper, since I have plenty of red bell pepper at home. Here is the base of the salad. I will just mix one salad in a smaller bowl. I will just add some base. Squeeze lime. Black beans, some of the guacamole, jalapenos, Kalamata olives. I'm gonna crush some tortilla chips. Then a little bit of pumpkin seeds. I'm adding some sriracha, that's optional, but it makes the salad taste really good. And you can add some store-bought salsa as well, garnishing it with some cilantro. And there you have it. It's very filling and satisfying salad. And this is the first time I'm making this buffalo cauliflower sandwich, and it turned out really good. If you want to cut on the meat, if you're vegetarian or vegan, that's a great option for you. The first step is mixing some buffalo sauce and olive oil in a bowl and covering the steaks with it. And then pop them on the sheet. And just let me preheat the oven on 450 degrees. After 10 minutes, I will just flip the sides. And if you have any extra sauce, dump it on top of them. I just have some flax meal, which I combine with some still water and set it on the side for 5 minutes. And in another bowl, I'm just mixing some flour with buffalo sauce, some spices like black pepper, salt, curry powder, cumin. Mixing all this in and adding some sparkling water. And then just adding that flax meal that we soaked in still water earlier and mixing all this together, and that's how we're gonna coat each and every steak. So just place it on a new placement sheet. Looks like this. They smell so good and literally look like chicken breast. Buffalo chicken breast. And now I'm just going to assemble the sandwich. I'm using this pretzel rolls. One of the steaks. Avocado crema type of sauce. Red onion. Tomato and lettuce, and it really goes well if you put some celery in this sandwich, and it is so yummy. I'm gonna try with 2 different buns. This one is the pretzel bun, and I also bought ciabatta. So this is the sandwich. I just put the tomatoes, avocado, some basil pesto, and garlic, and I'll mix this in. Ground black pepper, and I'm not gonna put salt yet because it will make the tomato release all the juice. And I just toasted some ciabatta bread with some pesto, and I will put the tomato. I will just drizzle a little bit of balsamic reduction. This is a very nice and easy board. I have the bruschetta here with some tomatoes, avocado, pesto, basil pesto, and drizzle with a little bit of balsamic reduction. I have some grilled artichoke, some fig and olive oil crisps, some Kalamata olives, eggplant spread that I drizzle with a little bit of olive oil, and then just a glass of white wine. And you can make this when you have some friends over, just impress them. It just looks so fancy and cool.